Dear students, this is exercise 3.3 of chapter 3rd of maths. You have already completed up to question number 6. Now I am taking the question number 7. Here a figure HOPE is given. This is a parallelogram and you have to find the value of x, y and z. I have written here HE parallel to OP. What is the reason? The reason is opposite side of a parallelogram. Opposite side of a parallelogram is always parallel and equal. Now I have written here y is equal to 40. What is the reason behind it? In class 7th we have already studied that if two parallel lines intersected by a transversal line, then the alternate interior angles are equal. Here this and this two parallel lines and this is a transversal line. So we can write y is equal to 40 degree. Again I have written here y plus z is equal to 70 and in the bracket I have written exterior angle property. What is the exterior angle property? You know that in a triangle the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. You can see here z plus y is equal to 70. In triangle HOP, z and y are interior angle and 70 is the exterior angle. So z is equal to 70 minus 40, that is 30. Again I have written here HOP plus 70 is equal to 180 and this is a linear pair. You know very well what is the linear pair. The sum of two or more angles on a line are known as linear pair and the sum of all the angles is always supplementary, or you can say 180 degree. So that HOP is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. X is equal to 110. I have written here x is equal to 110. What is the reason? I can explain it. You can see in the figure E and O are the two opposite points in this figure, and this is a parallelogram. E and O are two opposite points, and X angle is angle E and O angle is already find out 110. So that angle E, that means X, is equal to 110, opposite angle of parallelogram. So all the values we have find out x, y and z. X is equal to 110, y is equal to 40 and z is equal to 30. Now I am taking your question number 8. Here two parallelograms are given. First parallelogram is GUNS and second is RUNS. In both the figures you have to find x and y. In first figure I have written here 3x is equal to 18. What is the reason behind it? 3x is equal to 18. 3x and 18 are two opposite sides and we know that opposite sides are equal, so that x is equal to 6. Again the same property is used. 3y minus 1 is equal to 26, so that 3y is equal to 26 plus 1, y is equal to 9. In second figure it is also a parallelogram and I have written here y plus 7 is equal to 20. What is the property behind it? We know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, so that y plus 7 is always equal to 20. Here you can solve easily. Y is equal to 20 minus 7 and y is equal to 13. Same property is used in the second line segment Rn. X plus y is equal to 16, y is equal to 13 already find out, and x plus 13 is equal to 16, y is equal to 16 minus 13 is equal to 3. Now I am taking your question number 11. Here a figure is given and not mentioned what type of the figure, what type of figure is this. Only given that AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. So you can say it is all a trapezium, as we know that one pair of opposite side is equal, one pair of opposite side is parallel, then it is a trapezium. And you have to find the angle x. You have to find the angle C, or you can say x. Now I have written here x plus 120 is equal to 180, as we know that one pair of opposite side is parallel, so that in a trapezium the sum of two adjacent angle is always supplementary, or 180, so that x is equal to 180 minus 120, x is equal to 60. Now I am taking question number 12. Here a figure is given, not a parallelogram, only a quadrilateral PQRS, and one clue is given as P parallel to RQ. One clue is given as P parallel to RQ. If SP parallel to RQ, then we can easily write angle S plus angle R is equal to 180, because sum of two adjacent angle, or you can say two co-interior angles, is 180 degree. Here we can easily find out S is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90, as angle R is given 90 degree. P plus Q is equal to 180, again same property is used here, and angle P is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50.